AJ Green, he's just like you. Except he's in a commercial. Got hands like glue and just bought a 10,000-gallon saltwater fish tank. Otherwise, he do what you do. Drives to work, listens to his music, gets caught up in a wire-based headphone situation. I know you seen that. So like you, he went and did something about it. Now he walks into work like a boss.
Cole Bittenfield, he's just like you. He goes to school, does homework, and likes music too. He does what you do, drives to school, listens to music, and gets caught up in a wire-based headphone situation. Uh-oh, I know you've seen it. So like you, he did something about it.
Oh no, what is wrong with that boy?